Heavy winds, but we're on some fish. Let's get this guy unhooked and let's get him back in the water. Another small laker on. We moved up here to the north end of this lake, and just some nice eaters up here. Nothing huge. The thing about these lakers is they just do not give up. Obviously this is a small little fish. Get him unhooked and get him back in the water real quick. Man, they're a strong, strong fish. What we're using to catch these small ones, I'm just rolling a small Cleo, orange and gold. Sometimes, you know, a shad wrap that runs down 10-15 feet works real good. And then obviously for the larger fish, we like to go out and find you know, deep water, 80-90 feet, where it comes up to a food shelf, we call it, to about 25 or 30 feet. And then we'll get the big stick baits out and just troll and work that food shelf. And when they move up and they start to feed, boy, it is just game on. You can get some studs. We've been into this lake a couple different times, and Greg Hensley has boated probably 5 or 6 fish at 20 to 25 pounds. I've been fortunate enough to boat several large fish also. So they're here. This is our first day, and we just wanted to come out here and make sure that we got some fish for dinner tonight. So we got our 2 on the stringer, and that was probably our 7th fish, and we've been fishing now for maybe a half hour. So everything's good so far. Great weather, overcast, got a good chop going. So hopefully we'll get some big ones later in the day.
He's just running towards the boat. Yeah, he's still here.
Okay. And I broke my line, and now Hens has got a decent fish on right now. Get that drag loose because he's going to make a big run. And we're going to see what we got here. Boy, when he set the hook, that son just took off, didn't it, dude?
Yes, it did. All right. Oh, I just saw a flash, dude. Big flash.
Big flash?
Big flash.
Oh my Can you see that on camera? Dude, get that down. Get that sucker down. Watch yourself. Holy dude, that thing's a monster.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a monster. We're talking 30 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That thing is, watch the down. I'm staying low, okay? So you can go over me. I don't know if camera's gonna do this thing justice. That is a monster lake trout. Okay, camera's going away. We gotta do a land job now.
Not on you.
Woo-hoo! Dude, that thing! I gotta lean back. Don't stand up there. Oh, baby. Is that a lake? I'm shaking. The camera can't even hold still.
That's a huge lake. Here, Rod.
Oh, my God.
Rod, you lightly push the button. Hold it up for me.
Wow. One more time this side, and then I'm going to get some photos. And you know right away when you get a big one. That thing peeled drag immediately.
Okay, we're back at it. It's not more than, what, 5-10 minutes?
5-10 minutes. That's a good fish.
Rudy's got another, he's got a big fish on.
I mean, it's a good fish.
It's a good fish.
Compared to yours, but
that's a great fish.
Good fish. Put the camera on.
Out of nowhere! A fish the size of Hens just came up and... Holy shit! Oh, I got a fish on. I got a fish on.
Shut your motor off! Shut your motor off!
Oh, mine's on! I got a nice one on. But we had one come up the size of Hens and hit the back of the motor.
That's no I heard it thump!
I heard it thump too!
Fish! I just had a fish out and lost it. We had a double on.
Here, Rod, let me get it. Hold on, we're coming back. We're coming back. Look, there's, whoa, hold on, Rod.
I'm letting you get it. How big is he?
The one I've got on is about 10. But we had a mini torpedo come up and look at that one.
30?
He had me close. It was huge.
Okay, let's get a little video of this one.
This is Rod's fish, by the way.
Sweet. Sweet.
All right, we got to get back to action. Greg's hooked another one that appears to be pretty decent sized. We haven't got to look at it yet, but same spot. I don't know if you caught all of the action that was taking place. Greg saw a 25-pounder.
Oh my God, Rudy! Rudy, drop something down there. There's like 3 or 4 big ones with it.
3 or 4 big ones with it?
Yes.
Okay, just a second. I'm clear. We got Greg's fish in. He had 2 other bigger ones following it up, but we weren't able to hook those. So I'm going to get a photo of him with this fish, and then we're back to fishing again. That's a good. Okay, we headed back in to grab a quick sandwich. We're back out to the spot, and we've been out here about 15 to 20 minutes. And Greg has now hooked up with something that is big.
Still no visual?
No visual yet.
That's a big fish. Look at that Laker. Wow.
Last picture.
Oh, we're in.
Just empty the roll.
Look at here.
Get that too. Oh man.
Nice. Oh man, is that a nice Laker.
Get it past that fin, belly it down.
Yep, hell of a fight. Boy, it was a standoff there for quite a while. Greg has hooked into what we think is another huge Laker. Well, we know it's a Laker, but and we're pretty sure it's this thing started peeling off drag right away. Narrate for me, big guy.
Yeah, it light tap and then came back and tapped her hard, set the hook, and line is going out now.
Not as big as your other one, but
nice.
Yeah, real nice fish. Real nice fish. Any followers with him?
Oh.
Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna get ready here to help out, and we'll get some video when we're done. You're the man.
Only in Canada.
Okay, fishing the boat. Another dandy. Nice fish, Chief.
Got a good sea going in this rod.
You can see the clouds and stuff behind Rod right now.
I've never fought a big one, and I don't know how much they shake their heads and stuff, but this one seems to be shaking his head a lot.
rolling.
I'm afraid I'm going to be fooled like an amateur because we're just moving so fast here with this wind.
I'm going to shut it off and start the motor up and kind of creep up towards that deal. So
We're getting real close to a visual.
Okay.
Getting real close.
We'll be back on a visual.
No.
Oh, that's a big fish.
That's a nice Laker.
That's a real nice Laker.
Look at that Laker, boys!
Turn her flat.
Look at that Laker.
That's
wow!
That's a dandy.
On Ensley's lure he gave me, no
We're
doubt.
flying out. We came out, didn't have the camera.
You caught 2 15 to 18 pounders. You didn't have the video camera.
So we went back and got it, and Rudy's got a hookup. We're trolling big stick baits, like real big.
You getting to see in this rod? This is just like a standoff. It's like halibut fishing. Okay, I've got a slight visual, Greg.
Good fish, I see it.
Have you seen it?
It's a good fish. Big Laker. We're gonna land him. We'll be back.
There's a Laker for you guys. All right.
Hold her flat out.
Woo! Let's get some stills.
Okay, we're back. Rudy's got another one on.
Oh, I think he's off. Nope. Just coming at the boat.
He's running at the boat.
I don't think we got on film that when Greg hooked his second big one out here, there were 5 other big ones right with it, all the same size. 13 to 17 pound range, swimming right with it like a pack of wolves. It was just incredible.
It's a good fish, Rudy. It's a nice fish.
Look at the belly on this guy. Look at the gut on him.
All right, Greg's got a good fish on right here.
Yeah.
Take your time with him, man. Take your time.
He does not want to. Dude, look at the white. Can you see the white underneath there?
He's a big fish. Yes. There he is. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh, Hans, what a fish, dude. What a fish.
No worries.
Oh my God, just play him out. Okay, we got the fish in. Hold it up real quick, Greg, just for video purposes. Nice fish right there. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish, Greg. What do you say?
Only in Canada.
Yeah, only in Canada. Oh, he's a beauty.